Morning, this is call number 2021-08729. In the interest of Mason Randolph, all parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Brandy Spencer, I'm his mother.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Alistair Hatter, and seeking paternity to determine if I am the father.
And counsel, your name and who you represent.
My name is Rochelle Carter, and I represent Brandy Spencer, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, you represent who?
Brandy Spencer, the mother.
The mother, okay. And for the state?
Kara Mitchell.
What are we doing today, Ms. Mitchell? We've got a petition to establish a parent-child relationship.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Hatter has requested DNA testing. However, Ms. Spencer is objecting to DNA testing being done.
This child is, what, eight years old? Mr. Hatter, you don't think you're the father of this child?
No, I do not know, sir, but if that is my child, I do want to be there for my child. So it took 8 years because I have not been able to get in contact with Miss Randolph.
Miss Spencer, is there any possibility that that he's not the father of this child?
Your Honor, may I speak, Your Honor? May I speak, Your Honor?
I'm sorry, repeat that, please.
May I speak, Your Honor? I asked if I can speak.
Sure.
Okay, Your Honor, I represent Miss Spencer, and Miss Spencer, the child that's in question, all he knows is the man that she's married. For 8 years, Mr. Hatter has not been around. My client told Mr. Hatter that she was pregnant, and again talked to him, I think when the baby was 1 year old approximately, and both times he wanted nothing to do with the child. Miss Spencer has not left Harris County. Her parents that he know, they still live in the same house for 25 years. Mother still works on the job 36 years that he knew. Miss Spencer is easily accessible. They have mutual friends. Mr. Hatter has never reached out to Miss Spencer for 8 years. And seeking DNA testing, we feel will be detrimental to the child because he's a sensitive boy and all he knows is the man that has been raising him. I've also filed a petition to terminate the parent-child relationship in the 309th District Court, which Mr. Hatter will be most likely served today. And so we are asking that the court not grant the DNA testing, Your Honor. Could you hear me? I'm so sorry. Am I able to be heard?
Oh,
Sir?
I can hear you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, would I be able to respond?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but I wanted to know would I be able to respond?
Oh, no, because I'm not necessarily hearing the case today. I'm just deciding. And my question wasn't answered, Ms. Carter, when I asked Ms. Spencer if there's any possibility that he's not the father.
No.
There's no possibility. So let's just go ahead and do DNA testing and get the thing confirmed, and that way you don't have to hear about it anymore. That's not going to affect your child support or retroactive child support. So I'm going to order DNA testing. The case is reset to what date, Ms. Mitchell?
Your Honor.
October the 6th.
I'm not
I'm sorry.
child support, Judge.
Brandy.
Say that. Okay. Say that again, Ms. Mitchell.
October the 6th.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I speak, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, the child is a sensitive young man, and the mother truly feels that it might psychologically, the child's not going to understand why he's having this test done. All he knows is the man that has been raising him for 8 years, Your Honor. And so we feel as though it would not be in the best interest because psychologically it may harm him. That's what I'm
Well-
trying to say.
Well,
Your
I know,
Honor.
but we have to make a determination of that. You have filed a,
I filed
have
a petition to terminate the parent-child relationship based on abandonment. He knew that the mother was pregnant. He never came around. He never gave her medical. He never did anything.
which court are you in on?
I'm in the 309th District Court, cause number 202145282.
Okay, hold on a minute. 309. This matter is out of the 247th District Court. Is that correct, Ms. Mitchell?
This particular cause is in the 312.
This is the 312, Your Honor.
312th, and you're in the 309th at this point. When did you file your petition?
We filed it today. It's going to be served today.
When?
I'm sorry, like late last night. We filed it.
Why? And you didn't file it in the 312th?
It's a new petition to terminate. So we filed it in the 309. It's not a count. We have a counter petition. But we filed a new petition.
Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to transfer this matter to the 12th District Court, and they'll probably consolidate whatever other pleadings you might have and send them over. So, all right, I'm just transferring it to the 312th District Court, and you can move from there.
All right, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.
Judge.
Mr. Hatter, I will need you to log back into the Zoom you came from this morning.
Okay, will do. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
What do I do, Ms. Mitchell?
You need to talk to your attorney.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead, log out.